Updating your legal name with Valley Credit Union is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name change is processed quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that support your name change, such as a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Make sure these documents are official and clearly show your previous and new names. Step 2. Visit the Valley Credit Union website. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Complete the name change form. If available, download and fill out the name change form provided by Valley Credit Union. Ensure that you provide accurate information and double-check for any errors before submitting. Step 4. Submit your documents. Submit the completed name change form along with your supporting documents. This can typically be done in person at a local branch, or you may have the option to submit them via mail or secure online upload, depending on the credit union's policies. Step 5. Confirm the update. After submitting your request, follow up with Valley Credit Union to confirm that your name has been updated in their system. You may want to check your account statements or online banking profile to ensure the change has been reflected. By following these steps, you can efficiently update your legal name with Valley Credit Union. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer service for help.